Hi, today we're going to be taking a unboxing review look at Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Trilogy. So this is kind of a new thing. It's still continuing on with the War for Cybertron, so this is like the fourth one in the series. Or maybe perhaps the fifth one, because we really don't feel about it. We had the Fall Cybertron video game, the War for Cybertron video game. I'm not sure if they were in that order, but you know what I mean, right? But from Machinima, we had Combiner War, we had the Titans, Return of the Titans, which were aka Headmasters. Then we had the third one, Power of the Primes, which Power of the Primes was the worst of the worst. For toys, Combiner Wars, people were saying those ones were pretty bad. I didn't get any Combiner War ones. The Titans Return, aka Headmasters, those were pretty cool, so I love those. The Power of the Primes were garbage all the way around. The anime was complete trash. The toys were, I don't know what to say which one's worse. The anime or the toys. Power of the Prime failed on both sides of the anime and the toy line. They just fell apart completely. The instructions were horrible on the toys. The way how they release the episodes, and you had to wait for the episodes, so they released episode 1, 2, and then 4, and then 5, and then 3, and then 6. It was stupid. It's like, why not just go episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? No, it was 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. It was like, what are they doing? So yeah, this is kind of like, I guess, a cross correlation between Hasbro, here in America, and Takara Tomy from Japan. So I mean, yeah, like you can see, War for Cybertron and Trilogy. So SWC or SOWC or something like that is a deluxe class Autobot Sideswipe. So I love the artwork here. Now I don't know if you can notice this, which I'm trying to get to show up on camera here. But you can see right down there, right in there, was this really dumb and stupid idea that I don't know which company came up with. I'm going to say Hasbro because Hasbro has come up with a lot of dumb and stupid things. Well, Takara told me they keep on watching this stuff over there. Great stuff. Like if you buy Beyblades, Takara Tomy Beyblades are top notch. Hasbro ones, well, if you live in America, Hasbro. If you could spend more money and don't mind waiting, definitely Takara Tomy all the way. But yeah, what this little thing is that they did down here is the Cybertronian language, but the only way to see it, what these little like Cybertronian language characters are for their alphabet, is you have to use a freaking black light to let them. That's stupid. Nowhere on the box, not even on the instructions, do they say, oh hey, we hidden somewhere on the box, which usually is always on this side for deluxe quest fitters and stuff. This is Cybertronian language. Black light required, not included. Yeah, that's dumb and stupid. Instead of using a freaking black light, hello, how about using, a glow in the dark system? Where, you hold it up to sunlight or to a light for a couple minutes, turn off the lights, and then you can see it. Because a lot of people are not going to own a black light. But they do own, a light bulb. Hold it up to a light bulb, black light. Dumb, stupid idea. Glow in the dark? Yay! Smart idea. So, Hasbro, Takara Tomy, whichever one of you dumb companies came was this, listen to what our fans had to say. Black light? No. Glow in the dark? Yes. So yeah, it's WFC War for Cybertron Siege, or War for Cybertron. So it's WFC-S10, so War for Cybertron Siege 7 in the lineup. How it combines and transforms. So I'm not really sure what this mode is. It's either a convertible or a Firebird Trans Am. Those are the only two things that come to mind with the way how the form the grill is and the body. So that kind of looks something like a Firebird Trans Am a little bit. Or like I said, convertible. So only two things that it could possibly be. So yeah, let's get this open up and check it out. I mean, I like how they put them in the new packaging now. That, you know, you're not tearing open the boxes. Got this nice little artwork back here. Very, very nice. And I guess this is the new faction symbol for Cybertron's Autobots. Are going to have this symbol, while Decepticons are going to have another symbol. So there is that. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box here. Getting the weapons out is going to be a bit more of a trickier process. Let's see here. There we go. So, here he is. Let's get him to stand up. And for height comparison, we're going to kind of put him up against some other little fitters here. Where the heck did I put it? There we go. So as you can kind of see between War for Cybertron C's Combined with Cybertron C's Weaponizer, and Transformers Titan's Returner, aka Headmaster, these ones are smaller than Headmasters and a little bit smaller than Weaponizer. So yeah. So let's get these two out of the way here. Articulation. 360 on the head. Up, down. All that stuff. Arms could go out there far. In. Rotate all the way around. 360. Nice little elbow bend there. No wrist articulation due to transformation. They can rotate around like that. Which actually goes like that. Due to transformation, you have waist swivel there. No ab crunch. Legs go up, back that far, forward that far. Let's get the arms out of the way. Out that far. Knee bend, that far. A little bit of wiggle in the toes, and that's about it. I mean, head sculpt is pretty nice. I definitely love this paint job that they did down here. Kind of makes it look like it's been scratched up and stuff. Very, very nice. Here's what the back of the figure looks like. Here's something that they don't mention in the show. But on the back here, it's like actually painted back here to get kind of like a cool little Cybertronian design going there. That's actually nice what they did back there. But definitely, I love this. I'm a little waist part and the legs. Don't know why they didn't continue it anywhere else on here, but yeah, here's the instructions. So let's kind of see what it says here. So you combine the RG Gyrofuse Axle Switch Hyper Blaster. Yeah, so that's what this thing is. The RR. Wow, that's almost like probably like RR, mateys. So you combine the RR Gyrofuse Axle Switch Hyper Blaster. Yeah, try saying that 5 times fast. And if you notice here, there is a little tab. That little tab is actually going to go into this little tab slot right there. Like that. It almost kind of looks like Hound. You know, Hound has something like this. To me, it kind of reminds me of Hound. Now, you can put it on both sides, because there is one on each side here. Like that. That's how just showing it right there. How to convert it into the car mode, which we're not going to do right away. All the ports and blasters and stuff. So let's take this and disassemble it. So this little port right here is going to be called W10. W10 is the Photo Pulsar Proton Lance. Photo Pulsar